Meet Eon, the next generation in urban electric transportation. Eon is the first bolt-on kit that can convert any skateboard into an ultra-light and powerful electric vehicle. It's simply a matter of attaching our motor and power pack to your skateboard, and you're ready to roll. Eon is a radical new transportation solution. It will transform the way you move around the city. You'll zip through traffic and expand your ability to use any mode of transportation.
As a grad student at MIT, I commuted on my longboard and began to imagine what the future of transportation could be like. When I moved to San Francisco and created my first electric longboard, I knew I was onto something. I then connected with a group of amazing designers and engineers to take this idea to the next level.
Forget about car payments, gas, and parking. With Eon, you'll save money and enjoy your commute in a completely revolutionary way. Each motor can deliver more than 1,000 watts of raw power and can push you to top speeds of over 35 kilometers per hour. By integrating with your wheels, we've reduced drag so you won't even feel it's there when pushing. Our OFOC technology makes the ride completely smooth and silent, so stealthy that it'll be hard to even tell you're on an electric board. Well, besides the fact that you'll be able to fly uphill. Our kit is modular. You can choose between 1 or 2 motors and batteries to optimize for range and terrain. One pack gives you up to 12 kilometers of range, which can be doubled with a second pack. Installing Eon is a breeze. Just swap your wheels for our motor and slide the battery pack under your trucks. If you don't have a board, we offer 3 types to suit your riding style that will come completely pre-assembled. Eon is great when you're learning how to ride. You can bomb down any hill confidently with the safety of regenerative braking that will recharge your board while slowing you down. The Eon remote takes advantage of the latest in advanced biomechanics research to create the most comfortable, intuitive, and ergonomic controller available today. Your Eon experiences can be controlled by our mobile app. Fine-tune your board, review your stats, and even connect with other riders. We've designed Eon to be a platform for all your urban transportation needs. Its modular design will allow you to swap the power pack from your board to other electric vehicles. We are already designing Eon for bikes.
Recording your dive should be simple. We want high-quality recordings, but still be able to be present in the dive and not fumble with filters and buttons. So, we set out to make the world's best action camera for diving. OctoSpot is the first camera that is able to log your dive. It's also the first to automatically correct the white balance to match your depth. It records in high quality and is intuitive to use. It has a long battery life, even in cold water. We've designed everything to be operated while using gloves, and it can be mounted fast and easy. The OctoSpot is made for divers. You feel when it starts recording, and sharing your videos is easy. All you have to do is enjoy the dive. With the T-Rail click mount, you can mount and demount in a matter of seconds. It's rock solid. There's also an adapter mount, so you can use other accessories you may already have. With the third-person viewer, you can put yourself in the shot. A great learning tool for all new divers. The ergonomic mask mount fits almost any mask and records everything you see. The third-person viewer is the first of its kind. It's so compact, it fits in a pocket on your BC and can give you a whole new perspective on your dive. The OctoSpot knows exactly how deep down you are and makes sure your recordings and pictures are not tainted green or blue. It's the first camera in the world that can automatically correct the white balance to match the depth you're at. It also has electronic image stabilization. This removes shakes and creates a steady and smooth video. To avoid endless gigabytes of data and make sharing easy, we invented Snap Record. Press once to take a picture, and hold to record. Easy.
Project Shadow is bringing back the ultimate outerwear to Kickstarter. This time, we redesigned and took our windbreaker to the next level for people with innovative minds. We needed a jacket that was super lightweight and weatherproof, yet keeps you dry with maximum visibility for safety. This jacket is packed and ready for any occasion and has a fashion-forward design for the urban outdoors. We call it the Ultimate Lumen Jacket. These weatherproof, high-visibility jackets are specially designed for travelers, commuters, or anyone who wants to make their travel beyond ordinary. Based on the feedback from our backers, we designed our Lumen jacket to provide maximum visibility in low-light condition to keep commuters safe. We've made upgrades to existing features such as adding mesh-lined vents on the chest and back for maximum airflow, an invisible back pocket with a larger 8.5-inch opening on side seam to keep your essentials, an elastic cuff and hemband for more comfort and flexibility, a larger hood to give you extra coverage in harsher weather, and front pockets that are finished with water-resistant zippers to keep your belongings dry. We've made multiple prototypes, tested materials, improved the fit, and explored every aspect to create the Ultimate Lumen Jacket. Packed with new features, the Ultimate Lumen Jacket gives you total control. With an added earphone outlet inside the left chest, you can now listen to music with the earphones locked in place. We've also added a detachable patch with magnets to easily hold your earphones. We came up with 3 jackets that will fit any need. First, the Ghost, made with a special fabric that absorbs the light and glows in dark. Second, the Olympian, made with flash reflective fabric, so you will always be seen in the city streets. Third, the Shadow, made from fully water-repellent materials to always keep you dry in the harshest conditions. We wanted to create a jacket that was practical and functional to make it accessible to everyone at an affordable price. To do that, we are skipping the middleman and offering it to you, our backers. Whether you wear it on your weekend trip, on your next camping expedition, or just on your regular commute, the Lumen Jacket is the most versatile jacket on the market. We need your help in making this project become a reality. So, take your performance to the next level and support the Ultimate Lumen Jacket.
Every single day on this planet, someone is injured or killed by a landmine. Removing them is very time-consuming and dangerous. Millions of landmines litter the landscapes of the war-torn countries around the world. My name is Masoud Hassani, and I want to change this. Our mission is to solve the landmine problems within 10 years. In 2012, we have launched our first Kickstarter campaign. It is called the Minecathon. A low-cost wind-powered anti-landmine detonator. It rolls along on a desert. When it hits a landmine, it blows itself up and it destroys the landmine at the same time. After 3 years of hard work, we brought our mission to the next level. Now we are very excited to introduce you our newest robotic invention, the Minecathon drone. It is an airborne demining system which aims to reduce landmines in less than 10 years globally. Minecathon drone flies above a dangerous area. It generates a 3D map. Then it detects landmines with a metal detector and GPS coordinates. The drone has a robotic arm which places detonators on top of a landmine and blows them up from a safe distance. These three methodologies combined makes the Minecathon drones up to 20 times faster than the traditional technologies. It is safer and up to 200 times cheaper. Imagine if we could fly with hundreds of Minecathon drones all over the affected landscapes worldwide and free the world from landmines.